For those of you thinking that Bangkok is the only cool travel destination, no way, no way. There's more than just Chiang Mai. So definitely, if you're looking to go to the destinations where the locals are going and the tourists are not coming, this is one of those. We were thinking that you could actually go up there, but what's up there now are workers. So you can see in the distance these guys have some courage, yeah? But just to give you an idea of the scale of this place, it's like the pyramid. It is gigantic. I've seen some cool stuff in Thailand, really, but this is one of the coolest. Someone's helping him out, that's cool. You can see that they're building a lot of different things here, but I will tell you that it's already worth the trip. And hey, look, hidden here in the temple, I see they have some, whoa, big mosquitoes. They have some beautiful girl in here. Excuse me, ma'am, are you part of the temple? Can you give me a tour?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. This nice lady letting us look around. And this is the gong that they have at every temple.
We believe about when we do Laos that we can that make a lucky for us.
Okay.
See? Yeah, one time enough.
Careful, have bees like these a lot.
Where are bees?
Yeah. Yeah, these flowers must have something sweet inside. dude.
style, you know.
A Chinese style?
Yes. Like a lucky statue, lucky monk,
Oh.
because he fat and he hold the gold holder. You know.
Yeah, I think
He
I...
call in Thai พระสังกระจาย
Pasangkajai.
Good job. Yeah, and this statue, the lady, this is the lady I dream about. You remember?
Oh, really? So Engun had a
Yeah.
dream with this lady.
Yes, and I not eat beef because of her. Yeah, you see, I'm good bum. Let me see.
She goosebump. So yeah, they let us in inside when it was closed. That was nice. And now we're gonna check out the resorts around here, see if there's some food, and let's keep going.
ไหนคะทำเป็นอะไรเนี่ยคนเดียวที่เดียวนี่เหรอคะห้องนี้เหรอเราไปกำลังจะเลย
Look at this. Look at this path we're walking on, guys. How cool is this? Can you imagine the view in the morning?
ร้านอาหารอร่อยผมก็จะ
แนะนำไปไหน
Have Wi-Fi?
แต่
มี Wi-Fi ไหม
Wi-Fi มีครับ
Me, okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay. The owners of the resort, they recommended a place that's about a kilometer down the road, so we're here now. Yes. We're at a hot pot place, and we've actually been wanting to eat hot pot. We haven't had it since before the whole situation, so we're gonna try this place out and see if it's good, but it doesn't have to be great because the view's phenomenal. Alright, so we've ordered hot pot, so we just got our coals, and alright, let's get the sauce. Yeah. And so for those who haven't had hot pot, the way it works is you basically order the meat. And so here we have pork. This piece on top here actually is fat, and you'll put that on top and you use it to kind of lubricate. But yeah, we're so hungry today, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This?
Huh?
Shit. Finish.
So we've got the tofu, we've got the egg on the right side, and the hot pot's starting to get hot enough to eat. And here come the noodles. And these noodles don't take very long at all.
Yeah, because fish.
Yeah. So we put this inside the sauce. And the sauce is really spicy, but it does two things. It cools it off, and it makes it taste awesome. Alright, and so the first piece goes to Angun. Ready?
Too big, yeah. Go to you.
Oh,
try.
too big?
Yeah.
Okay, it's too big. Alright.
Yeah, that's very good.
It's so fresh and so good.
Yeah, dip in the spicy sauce, the hot sauce. Boil it a bit. And after that, you guys this? Yeah, I feel hot. It's good though.
Oh, hot? Temperature hot?
Yeah.
And Are you okay? And Goon's cold? She's got my jacket that I brought to Korea, which was for the snow. I'm glad it was in the car. I wanted to explore just a little bit outside, but as you can hear, just the sounds, the nature sounds like amazing. And check out the view behind me. Literally standing in the clouds right now. Thank you. See you, buddy. Look, it's a French bulldog. This the owner dog? He the owner? Hey, buddy. He's the owner. Well, we'll tell him he has a beautiful place. Yeah, D-Mark.
Nice to meet you. See you again.
Nice to meet you too. Bye-bye.
What do you want to order?
I think black coffee, okay?
เอาไข่กระทะ2
ครับผม
Chum Phae.
เฮ้สวัสดีครับเฮ้ Hey guys, we just wanted to close out this trip, and it's been an awesome experience. I mean, I'm kind of without words. It's been such a great trip.
Yes, right. Bobby, Robert excited a lot here. Have a lot of beautiful place and yeah, like you know, the dream place to travel here. Everyone you see in the video.
Yeah, you know, we came here. I came here expecting something cool, but I didn't expect magic. I didn't expect the people, the local people, to be like completely different than Thai people, but to be completely sweet and nice and great. I didn't expect the tremendous views. I didn't expect the temperature to be, you know, a solid 10+ degrees cooler. I mean, the whole thing, it really was like leaving the country.
Yes, right.
Please go ahead and hit subscribe. You know, we're excited to take you to our next destination, and honestly, we're excited to figure out where we go next too.
Yes, right.